guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the Serendipity French nails. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. I already prepped my nails and we're going to start with French tip vinyls. Make sure to stick it well. Add the primer bond to the bottom of the nail up to the vinyl and make sure not to get in your cuticles. Remove the vinyl and dip the nail in the more or more powder. Using a fan brush or any brush you have, remove some of the excess powder from the tip of the nail. And again, add the primer bond on the tip of the nail and dip the nail in the French powder. Do this on all of your nails except the ring finger. I found that this would be the easiest way to get a clean line between the two powders. Now this worked for me, and hopefully it can work for you. Make sure to remove the vinyl before adding the powder. If you add the powder on top of the vinyl and then remove it, the vinyl will take some powder off and the line will not look so straight. I wanted an accent nail, so I just added 3 witches to my ring finger. Let's add the second step, which is the instant activator. This is probably the longest step, filing the nails. Now what this is going to do is smooth out the nail and make it more appealing. When adding the powders, they sometimes go on thicker and they might not look pleasant at first, but when you file it down, they look way better. If you want to check out my first time using the Serendipity Starter Kit, I will add a card above and link it in the description down below so you could check it out. I want to enhance the glitter on my ring finger, so I'm just adding another layer by adding the primer bond, dipping it, adding the instant activator, and then filing again. After filing the nails, you have to buff your nails to make them smoother. Again, we have to add the instant activator. And now we're adding the first layer of the finished gloss. Finish by adding the second coat of gloss. Here are the final results. I have been loving playing with this product a lot, and I do think it's a perfect product for those who don't want to be in a nail salon all day. It does last the 21 days. I personally had a little bit of trouble just because it was my first time using it, and I did go on my cuticles, which you shouldn't. I did ship them off a little bit at the ends, as you can see, but that's what I use it for taking Legos out, which obviously is really bad. I do wash dishes by hand, so you know, all of those things do really add up to what has happened to my nails. But overall, I do really like the product. It is great. Now, I do have little things that I would change, like the bottle for the glue. I did have a lot of trouble. It did get stuck, like really stuck in there. I had to use some pliers to take it out. Even though I cleaned how it said with acetone, I cleaned the bottle and the brush and everything, and it still got stuck. So that is a big no-no for me, but otherwise I did take it out okay. Now, another thing I would change is the buffer they use. You know, it's a little bit flimsy. It did start to fall apart in the edges a little bit, just a little. So I would just spend, you know, take $1 just by like a normal filer, so you could file them down. And a buffer, I used one from, this is from Walmart. It just costs $1. So you know, just change that. Now for the price of the product, I really think it's an affordable price. It's $24.95. It lasts a pretty long time. You could do different things with it. You could, you know, make things up with it. But overall, I think it's really mommy approved for those moms who don't have a lot of time just to sit around, paint their nails every single week or every single 3 days. I think it's perfect for that. It will take you around an hour probably just to do all your nails if it's your first time. Once you get used to it, it'll take you probably less than an hour. Also, it hardens your nails, you know, they don't break easily. But I think it's really good. I really do like it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!